teach you how to make pancake in two ways. The first recipe is fluffy pancake and the second recipe is American classic pancake. Stay tuned with Where is my knife?
Fluffy pancake. Mix all type of the dry ingredients you have in the bowl, like flour, baking powder, vanilla powder, sugar, and don't you ever forget, just like me, a bit of salt. You could also use vanilla syrup instead of its powder. Mix them all and put them away. Now choose another beautiful bowl, mix milk with melted butter and an egg till they are all one. The weather is cold and the butter of mine is not melted. Just do what I say and forget what you see. Now is the time to add this base to flour and just leave it for 30 minutes, and after that it's time to bake. Use butter to bake it in your very hot pan and use something to cover it all. Each side of the pancake must be baked for 2 or 3 minutes, and we are ready to eat. But without garnishing? No, not at all. Since your pancake is hot, use a butter and wait for it to melt on your pancake. And if you want it to taste even better, you can use honey or different types of syrup. Classic pancake. Swift the flour so it has a better contexture. Milk and 2 eggs. Don't forget that, because we want to mix them all together. And I forgot to say salt, but just a bit. We're gonna mix and mix and mix. Let's use a saucepan and bake it without any oil or extra add-ons. You know your pan must have a normal temperature. Now you just wait for some bubbles and exactly the time you see it, it is time for the other side to be baked. See the color! You can also serve it with everything, but I just did it with chocolate and ice cream. Bon appetit, everyone!